Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You should first confirm your device and software. Open Settings, tap General, then About, note Model and iOS version. Why this matters. Backtap was introduced for later models, so iPhone 7 Plus likely cannot use that feature. Once done, make sure your software is updated to the latest iOS available to your device. If Backtap is unavailable, you'll follow an assistive touch workaround. Now, keep Settings open and move to Accessibility, so you can create a screenshot shortcut. Now you'll set up Assistive Touch so you can capture screens without Backtap. Go into Accessibility, select Touch, then Assistive Touch and toggle it on. A floating button appears. Tap Customize top-level menu to add a screenshot action, or choose Custom Actions to assign single, double, or long press to screenshot. This gives you a tap-based capture that behaves like Backtap. Make sure the Assistive Touch button is positioned, where it won't block important UI when you need to capture a screen. Finish by testing the setup. Open an app and use the Assistive Touch action you created to take a screenshot. If it didn't work, go back to Customize and ensure screenshot is assigned correctly, or change the custom action type. Make sure Assistive Touch is not restricted by guided access or a managed device profile. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and re-enable Assistive Touch. As one troubleshooting tip, reset accessibility settings only if other fixes fail, since that resets personalized options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.